How's it going, everybody? This is Sandra Wright, and today I want to talk about trusting the process with your online business. This gentleman I have up here his name is Joel Embiid, and he plays for the Sixers. And one of his mottos when he first started out was trust the process. When he began his NBA career, he had some issues with his foot. I believe he had about 2 or 3 surgeries before he finally got to really play a full season. So I use him as an example for us as entrepreneurs on the online space. It won't happen overnight. It takes training. It takes some mentorship. It takes mastering a skill to get to where the top leaders are. And you can do this, but it's a process. You have to learn. When you started your job, for example, you went through some training. You didn't know what to do when you first got there. They gave you this job title, and they showed you the different processes, the different systems that they utilized on their job. And as the months went on, you learned how to do that job. Same thing with online marketing. You have to learn lead generation, learn about captured pages and autoresponders and how to interact with prospects. Joel Embiid, it took him 2 years, like I said, to get on the floor. And once he got his body together, we almost went to the NBA championship. So he trusts the process, and now he's furthering his career because he believes in himself. And that's another thing we have to do as entrepreneurs. You have to have a mindset to say that you have the confidence to be able to do these things. We're created to do extraordinary things. It's just a matter of you digging deep into yourself and saying that I can do this. So it's not going to happen overnight. It might take you 90 days. It might take you 180 days. But don't give up. As soon as you're almost there, that's when the magic will happen. But you have to stay the course. You have to trust the process. You will have hurdles where maybe your computer stops working. You can't figure out the training that you're trying to learn so that you can put all your things together. Those are learning tools. Those are learning situations. And once you learn them, then you get better at them, and then you won't get frustrated. So learn what you need to learn so that you can be the best in your online business. I have faith in you like I have faith in myself. So don't give up. Keep pressing, and a year from now, if you stay the course, you're going to say, wow, I should have been doing this a long time ago. If you're working a job and you need more money, don't get the second job. You'll be working and you won't be able to spend any time at home, and you're going to hate doing what you're doing. If you learn to master a skill, master YouTube one thing at a time, or master Facebook engagement, or master email marketing. Once you master one of those skills over time, then you add another skill. And once you put all that together, your traffic will just start taking off, and people will get to know you. So that's part of branding yourself. So I hope that I gave you some value today. Please don't give up. This is Sandra Wright. Subscribe to my channel. and ring the bell for more videos so that you can get notifications. Have a good evening. Take care.